so we all know the Dbrand Ghost. We know this case, we know exactly what it is. Well, today we have two brand new colors that were just released today, and they're available to order right now. So we are going to be taking a look at the new Dbrand Ghost 2.0 in orange and in blue. Now, huge shout out to Dbrand for getting these over to me so I can review them for you guys. The price on this case is $49.95, and of course the link is down in the description below for you guys to check it out for yourselves. Now, this is not going to be a full review. I already did a full review on the Ghost 2.0, which I'll leave at the end of this video, but there are two big changes that came with this one. Number one is the color. Number two is that camera control button, and you know I will show it to you. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now, as you guys see, I currently have the regular Ghost 2.0 on my iPhone 17 Pro Max with the original camera control button right there. Well, let's go ahead and set this one off to the side and take a look at these Ghost cases. Now, starting off with that orange, as we can see, I've been using this for the last few days. We weren't allowed to say anything about it, but this thing is awesome. Loving this orange color. And of course, we also have the blue one right here. So taking this one out, there we go. Look at that. Let me go ahead and set this box off to the side real quick, and let's take a look. So starting off, look at these colors, man. I am so happy. Huge shout out to Dbrand for making these colors. They look amazing. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the orange. Now, like I said, exact same cases as the regular Ghost 2.0, which let me go ahead and take this off of my phone so we can use the phone for other ones. But here is your lineup. So orange, blue, and black. Let's look at this orange one. So like I said, just about everything is the same when it comes to this case. Taking a look at the original black one, just going around the sides. There you go. Top is the same. Left-hand side is the same. The bottom is the same. However, when we get to the right-hand side, we can see an updated camera control button. And this new camera control button, Dbrand nailed it. It is very, very good. Super responsive, super clicky, no accidental clicks. You guys remember with the Ghost 2.0, with this one, this was a huge issue. Lots of accidental clicks. Well, no more. We have that new button. So just looking at that fit, same great corners. Everything is the same. All the way good. So let's go ahead and check out that camera control button. You guys know what we're here for. So clicking that. There we go. And look at that. Beautiful, responsive, zero hiccups, zero accidental clicks. This case has been on my phone for the last 3 or 4 days, and I've been absolutely loving it. Now, we also have the blue one here, which of course is going to look very good still with that orange, but as you guys can see right here, it's going to look really, really good with that blue color as well. It looks fantastic. They really did a great job color matching when it comes to the orange one and the blue one right here. When you put them on the phones, it was a very, very good job at matching those colors. So everything looks really good, nice and clean together. But let's go ahead and get this orange one out real quick out of the Ghost 2.0 orange. And let's put it into the blue one, because I know a lot of you guys want to see, you might want that contrasting color. How will that look? And I'm here to tell you, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I think blue and orange are some of the best contrasting colors, not just with phones, but in general. And I think that this case does a fantastic job with contrasting those two colors. So yeah, guys, again, same color matched. First of all, all the buttons are color matched, which I love. But two, you do have that same exact button here with the blue one, just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Very beautiful, responsive, loving this thing. So that is it, guys. That has been the Ghost 2.0, the new updated version with those two new colors and the camera control button, which is chef's kiss. Perfect camera control button. Let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments below. Loving this orange one. It's going to stay on my phone for the next few days because I can't get over how much I love it. But I just wish they would have added a little more screen lip. Unfortunately, the screen lip is still exactly the same. That's the only downside at this point with this case. But to be honest with you, with the zero yellowing and with the drop protection it gives you, I still can recommend the Ghost 2.0. And especially now with the updated button, I love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see that full review of the Ghost 2.0, I'll leave that video right here. But if you guys want to see another awesome case from Dbrand, that video is going to be right here.